Okay amigos, this is my vapor blasting cabinet from Vixen Surface Treatments, Aquablast 1215. I adore this machine, it is my favorite tool in the shop. And in case you're new to the channel, get ready to be impressed.
Magic!
As usual, blown away by the results. If you're a shop or in business of restoring cars, this thing is irreplaceable and worth every shilling. In the end, it saves so much time and money because you don't need to replace this part, just blast it in the cabinet. And if you compare it with sandblasting, when you sandblast the part, you have to paint it afterwards because the finish is not going to be as nice. And sandblasting is more aggressive, it actually hurts the surface, while vapor blasting, it actually cleans and treats the surface at the same time, and you just get this amazingly beautiful finish.